Oh, water was getting inside here. You can see the corrosion. Yeah, that things were never right. Things were never right for the car. The things were never right for the car. I think you can see the corrosion. So what I was getting in here, the cylinder head has a problem. So this thing will not start because of the water, and it's bad. So let's look at the intake. So the intake, you can see it's muddy. It's full of water, very bad intake of water. So we will deal with the intake when we remove the head. So that is the problem that we have here. So we are going to remove now. The next step we are going to do, okay, we have removed the throttle. We are going to take out the exhaust. Once we release the exhaust from here, then we are going to deal with the timing. Then we release this belt, then we release here, and this car, it will be in the air. What? I didn't want it to be there. We put a jack underneath. We jack the sump underneath, then we release the top, we remove the cam. But before we do that, we are going to set the timing of this car. I don't know whether I have that spanner that can tune this timing for that, because anyway, I never thought I would need a spanner to turn that one. The spanner number 18, about 17, but I didn't buy 18. So this is the car, and I'm gonna remove the sensors. I'm gonna remove this sensor, and there is a sensor here and also the sensor here. So I'm gonna remove. So this is the starter. Okay,